Good evening, friends. So today we are going to talk about a story of four brothers. Now, it's very genuine. You find it very often that you would have heard so many stories where there are three people, four people working out together and all. So this is something of a similar sort. But we'll try and we'll try to figure out how the story unfolds. I would like to have some of your views coming in. I would like to interact with you people. What do you think where the story will go? And we'll try that we reach to the end of the story with a mutual ending. So the story starts with four brothers. Basically, they are children of a old wise man, and he is a pandit. He is a Brahmin. So he tells his son that you should go out and you should have some learning, whatever you are interested in. So the boys just start thinking that what shall we do? So they just move out of the house and they travel along the road. While traveling on the road, they find that they see a temple in the way, and they say that okay, this is a very good temple, and they see people praying for things happening. That okay, there was an old man. He was praying that okay, my son, he is basically very weak. I do not have money. I have to get some money for him because he needs treatment. Then they see another couple. They are very anxious. They are not having a child. They are praying to God that oh, we should have a child. Now they start thinking. So let's try to put ourselves in their shoes and try to think what they might be thinking. Can anyone tell what they might be thinking after seeing all this? Or what would you think if you were one of the brothers? What would you think when you are seeing people in such problem? You are on a path to do something in your life, you see people in problems. What would be the thoughts which would be running across your mind? Anyone?
Even we face the same problems in our lives.
Sorry?
Even we face the same problems in our lives.
Okay, we will face the same problems in life.
So we need to be prepared for that.
We need to be prepared for that. Okay, fine. That is one way that okay, this problem might come to me as well. I might have to prepare for that. Okay. So now what do you think? Now you have seen that okay, this problem can come to me. Now probably you think of the solution. How will I try to solve this? So is there a way probably?
We can either try to solve it the way these people were doing it. So
By brain.
by praying.
Okay.
So this is like depending on what kind of a person I am, I may be thinking that I should also do this, go pray if I have a problem. Or I may be thinking, no, if I had a problem, I probably wouldn't do this. I would try and solve this problem in some other fashion. I would
Interesting.
come up with my ways of doing it.
Perhaps yes. Logically, after what she said, that's what exactly came to their mind. And after that, what you said came to their mind. That okay, this exercise might not be a solution to our problems. We should do something different. Praying to God will not help. It will just be a relief that okay, God might take care of my problems. So they thought that something needs to be done about this. So while thinking about this, we realized that okay, this is really difficult. We need something out of the box to do this. So they came upon something. Can you guess what can be that something?